Hey everybody, today we're gonna paint a city scene on the water. So I got a bunch of random colors. Just gonna go ahead and spray some spots randomly. Alrighty. I'll take black, and we're going to cover the whole thing with black. Paint right over all the colors we just made. I'll take like a putty knife. It's just a plastic putty knife. I'm going to scrape it across and make some buildings. I like to go over and then downward on like 45 so you get the 3D look. Then I wipe off the excess paint off here every time, otherwise you'll have big blotches. Lay out the buildings however you like. Different shapes and patterns, heights. You got your basic city layout. Actually, should have did this first, but I'm going to add a couple stars in the background by spraying some white paint on the fingers. I flick off the picture once. Just add a little stars, not too many. Now I'm going to add water down at the bottom. So what I'll do for that is I'll take a couple different blue colors. And also some white. going to put this, I don't even know, paint edging thing, whatever the heck it's called. Put that down so I get a straight edge. And I'll start with the darkest of the blue on the outside. And then work my way in, going lighter and lighter. And then the white in the center. I'm just gonna take my hand and kind of mix up the colors here. I'm going to take that straight edge again, put it back over the top of this. I'm going to add a white mist at the top here, just kind of separate the water from the buildings, make look like there's a little fog. Just spraying the edge of the straight edge so it just barely gets the tops of the building. I'm going to add a couple more stars. There you have it. Simple city scene. We're going to spray a gloss clear coat, seal it off. There's your simple city scene. Throw a signature on there. Super wet, it's not scratching in. Go down on that side. And the wetter it is, the harder it is to throw your signature on there. I'll have to dry a couple minutes and try again. There we go. Now it's looking like something. There you have it. Quick, simple, easy city on the water. I hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you next week.